Say hi to the camera.
Huh? Ayan.
He's so sunburned. He looks like just the potato from Colorado.
I'm so sunburned.
Dad, do you have some more Cheeto dust?
Yeah.
Let's put it on mommy. Let's just take a look. Take a video of me open one I've been making all the videos and you're trying to make fun of me now. Hey GoPro!
Wow, look at your face. Looks so crispy and yummy.
I look like a hot potato.
Why is it like that? Why is it like that?
My face looks like caldereta potato.
Go finish your food. Today is our day 3. We're having breakfast.
Yes.
Yeah, we're just eating egg
Egg.
and rice and soup.
They don't have Chick-fil-A.
Oh wow, mommy, some pancake.
Oh, Chick-fil-A. This pancake is the best pancake ever. We're gonna leave. We're gonna go to a restaurant in Station 1. But right now, we're still waiting for mommy. We're in Station 3 right now. We're gonna take a tricycle to a mall. And then, we're gonna look for goggles. And then, we will be on our way na. When we find some goggles. And then, we'll go to the restaurant in Station 1.
Alright guys, so we're going to Station 1, it's a D Mall. So we're gonna walk around there and check out what other things we can do there at Station 1.
So, no, we are going, our stop is Station 2 at B Mall. Then we're gonna walk to Station 1 to the restaurant.
My fault. Hello sir, is this the Station 1 or 2? Hey guys, so we're here
Station 1!
at where?
Station 1.
Station 1, ayan in front of Astoria Boracay.
Sorry, mommy's
Alright,
so talkative sometimes.
So they're very strict dito guys, talagang kailangan naka-face mask ka kasi maraming mga standby na officers, which is really good. Siyempre kakabukas lang nila and it's not good na you're not gonna follow safety protocols, diba? So, good job din yun, Boracay. Yellow cab. Meron silang kabayan. The beach. Good Alright guys, check muna kami ng nakakainan for lunch. This one, oh, di ba we check this one too, mommy? The district. There, oh. The district. Wait. We are here at the mall. entering the mall. Oh yeah. So, guess what guys, kung nasan tayo? Dito tayo sa McDonald's. Oh my god, so ito pa rin yung preferred na pagkain ni Caleb. So dito tayo bibili ng kanyang food. Wow, look at that. Hi ate. Hello.
Hello. Oh my god, they have
Ate's cutting our crab.
Is it large?
No, they don't have large fries.
Why? Every restaurant in the world.
Ano this thing for?
Yes, sir. Is it
Our
large?
food. We are here at
Why are you never large?
Okeria Crab Pasta House. So here at Station 1. Shout out kay ate. Here. Hi. So we have prawns, crabs, squid, clams, and other seafood stuff there. Alright guys. Mussels, yeah.
Why?
Thank you, ate.
This is the food, guys. French fries.
Ayos na natin talaga.
Kasi may pera pa ako sa wallet mo. Pera pa ako sa binigay mo.
Daddy's looking on the cell phone. Have nothing to do. Except for look.
Hey. Go, eat your food.
Yeah.
Do that later.
Bye-bye. Crabs are still moving. What they look like. Most of their eyes are actually twitching and moving. Still alive. Like they can see you right now. Okay. So, okay. Bye. We'll see you later. They are reviewing them. Please, if any of you are in Boracay, come to this restaurant. It's actually very good. Their meat and crabs, and you will put the name of the restaurant down below.
Hey guys, Caleb is in deep trouble. To finish that,
Stop it.
yeah, you're not allowed to exit the
I've been
place.
making all the videos and you're trying to make fun of me now.
Look how giant is that? Nice. Hi.
So guys, we are here in we're eating
Ice flakes
Ice
for
flakes.
Boracay.
in ice flakes with Boracay, and then we're eating dessert now.
It's watermelon
But-
flavor.
Here, the one that you know is making fun of me, even though I've been making all the videos. That's a nice shot, Dana.
Yeah.
So guys, I finished it, but we're almost done. We're gonna go back to the hotel and go in the infinity pool for the first time.
Bye.
Bye bye. So guys, I'm gonna check if it's too deep. Wow, it's actually, guys, it's actually so warm. So don't forget, Boracay Ocean Club.
Guys, this is the view of Boracay from the top. So I'm at the 6th floor of the Ocean Club, Boracay Ocean Club. So this is their infinity pool. So it's 100-meter long, I think 5 feet depth. Perfect weather. I was waiting for the sunrise, but the sunset. I'm sorry, I was waiting for the sunset to take some pictures sana, pero nakatago siya. So we're just gonna enjoy the view and There's a swing ladder where the kids are swimming. Where the kids are competing. Good. Alright, so this is their bar.
So guys, we're here in the hotel na. Okay, I'm super tired. I'm in my pajamas. We're still very sunburned. You can see my cheeks. I'm so sunburned. And this, wow, this camera's nice. Our flight is 12. And you know, we got, as you know earlier, we went to the seafood restaurant earlier, and we got this from the restaurant because we got our review. But I actually forgot something to do, to take a picture in the Vikings restaurant. There was a statue outside that was really nice, but we forgot. So we just went to the dessert, as you guys know, and they gave us this bracelet. I'm gonna wear this all the way to our flight back to Manila. Here, baller. Boracay. So, you'll see you tomorrow.